Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing obvious blockers so the sign-in can proceed. First, make sure your network is stable and the system date/time match Google's servers. Mismatched time often blocks authentication. Once done, back up personal data, then enable installation from unknown sources for the downloader or file manager you'll use. Also check EMUI version and free storage. Insufficient space or very old firmware can prevent Play services from registering properly. Now you're ready to fetch the required APKs. You'll now install the core Google components in sequence so account tokens can be created. Download reliable, compatible APK versions matching your Android/API level. Mismatched Play services is the most common cause of sign-in failures. Install Google Account Manager first so account tokens can be handled, then Services Framework, then Play Services, and finally the Play Store. Make sure to allow permission prompts and reboot after Play Services installs to let the system bind services properly. If an install fails, you're at the finish line. Open the Play Store and sign in. Enter credentials and complete two-step verification when required. That's why network and time accuracy mattered. If you hit the couldn't sign in error, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Google Play Services and Play Store, clear cache and data, then reboot and try again. If it persists, remove the Google account from Accounts, reinstall Google Account Manager, then add the account again. One key troubleshooting tip. Test signing in with a different Google account to isolate account versus device issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.